just came from Chick-fil-A. Got me a Chick-fil-A. I got my soda here. I got a Coke. I got my bag. I got waffle fries. I got the spicy deluxe with pepper jack chicken sandwich. Check it out. Let's open the sandwich. Pepper jack melted. Got a pick one here. We also have, it came with, at least my sandwich did, 2 tomatoes, 3 pickles, maybe 2 pickles, and a piece of lettuce. Looks good. I don't eat spicy food, so this is gonna be pretty cool. So spicy chicken, and on top of that, I'm gonna top it off with some buffalo sauce, zesty buffalo sauce from Chick-fil-A. Let's open this. All right. Let's see. I'm trying to open it. All right. Oops, I spilled it. I spilled some of it. All right, so now we got this Chick-fil-A sandwich, spicy sandwich, and we're gonna add some buffalo sauce into it. Look at that. Wow, that's not that bad. All right, so before I take a bite, drop the tomato. Don't worry, I sanitized my table. Ooey gooey. All right, I'm gonna take a bite. I'm waiting for it. It's not bad at all. I don't feel it. I feel a small kick, but I don't feel the spiciness. This is actually pretty good. That's the best thing I tried. It's very good. My first time trying it, and it's super good. You want a piece? Anybody want a piece? Asking people around the house. It's just super good. Again, this is spicy deluxe with pepper jack chicken sandwich. I added buffalo sauce from Chick-fil-A, and it was so good. I thought my mouth was gonna be on fire. I was gonna run up and get a glass of milk. Luckily, I'm home for that. Order it to go. And then this. All right, so I'm almost done. My first time trying this. It's a very good sandwich, super good. My new sandwich, Chick-fil-A. Here should I put ketchup on the waffle fries and on the sandwich? Maybe Chick-fil-A sauce. All depends. But with this new sandwich, or my new sandwich, no more. No need for that. It's tingly, it's mild. For my leftover fries, I was dipping them in the buffalo sauce too. Very good. Oh man. So thank you for watching me. Until later.